Hey everybody, my name is Osmani Rodriguez. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm in the entertainment industry, and this weight loss program has been life-changing for me. I was able to do a 40-day program within this weight loss. I ended up losing 34 pounds in 40 days, and it was I was totally shocked. It was eye-opening for me. I didn't expect to lose as much, and the surprising thing to everybody is that I didn't even have to exercise. I did the protocol, and the weight just kept coming off every single day. What we have in our hands is second to none. I have not seen anything out in the market that does what this program does, and so quickly, so safely, without drugs, without exercise if you don't want to. If you do the protocol, you're going to lose the weight and you're going to lock it in. And Dr. Ammon was brilliant in putting this program together. And whoever introduced this to you, you got to take a second look at this. I will always continue to be taking these products. And certainly I'm being able to maintain my weight loss now. My weight used to control me, but now I control my weight loss.